as human beings, our life races before us. We're bombarded with experiences. There's a sort of beauty, I think, about this form of communication with nature that is almost impossible in that digitized world. To really feel that, you need to be in a place where you can be peaceful and quiet. Almost all humans yearn for being in a true wilderness experience. My name is Jasper Smith. I'm the CEO and founder of Arksen. Arksen is an adventure business. At its core, it's a design and engineering business. We create some of the most wonderful products for life's greatest adventures. To go back to why we set Arksen up, it was really out of frustration. We were in Greenland at the time. We looked at the amount of water running off the ice cap, and it was just, it was terrifying. And at that point, I just thought, what are you going to do for the next 20, 30 years? And I thought, let's try and build a business that's got adventure and sustainability and social responsibility at its core.
How do we bring the ethos of Arksen's marine business to shore? How do we create vehicles that tread as lightly as possible, have circular economy principles at their heart, and more importantly, allow people to engage with the environments that they travel to? So not sanitized vehicles, they need to be comfortable and capable and give you everything that you'd expect in the modern age, but not cost us it away from the world that we want people to experience. But the best thing we could do would be to take older vehicles, the best donor platforms we could find, and reimagine them for adventure in the modern age. And by doing that, what we end up with vehicles that are comfortable, capable, really enjoyable, and frankly, more engaging than a modern vehicle to drive. But they also, from a footprint point of view, they have a huge amount of CO2 and its equivalents in their pocket versus a new vehicle build, almost a lap of the planet. We're breathing a whole new life into an asset that we've already paid for as society, rather than starting from scratch. And I think that's a wonderful thing to do. But with both the Land Rovers and the Unimogs, we've gone to the go-to capable platforms. They're pretty remarkable. And with the right upgrades and the right kit, you can turn them into quite a refined, comfortable place to be that will allow you to travel with confidence, knowing that you have that capability sitting underneath it. We concluded the best thing to do was to find the very best people that we could, who are experts in these machines, and create our own version, building on their deep knowledge and capability. So what we end up with is a product that feels and breathes Arksen in the terms of the way it makes you feel and the way that we have put it together. The Unimog is a ground-up restoration, power upgrades, driveline upgrades, an extra cab conversion so that you can seat 6 people in comfort in the cab. And the Expedition body on the back is an Arksen design layout, which will comfortably sleep 4, full kitchen, full wet room, outdoor kitchen, outdoor shower, bags of storage, everything you could ever want. And what we tried to bring to bear is the design thinking and the design value from our marine business to create a space that really feels like a home away from home, wherever you are on the planet. I'm a car guy at heart. I'm a product guy at heart. I spend most of my working life in the automotive space. Cars have personality, they have character, and it's so important. It changes the way you feel about the car when you walk up to it, changes the way you feel about it when you start the engine. These vehicles, every day, are about building memories.
People need adventure in their lives because it takes us to a more primitive state. It makes us feel strong and independent. You know, we're problem solving. It's like, where can I get some water? How can I get some food? How do I get from A to B? There's something very powerful about rediscovering these skills that are buried deep inside us, this energy that's buried deep inside us. There is something uniquely powerful being in a wilderness space where actually it doesn't feel like other humans have been. It feels like it sort of embraces you. That's something really worth fighting for.